Good morning, my dear children. Sai Ram. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today in this video, we are going to revise two chapters from your social studies book. Okay, so we will begin with chapter 2, Earth, the living planet. Chapter 2, Earth, the living planet. So, children, you all know, right, that Earth is known as the living planet, unique planet, because Earth is the only known planet where life exists. Okay, we are living in which planet? Planet Earth. Okay, so choose the correct option. First question: the land and sky appear to meet at the dash. The land and sky appear to meet at the dash. So, children, in this chapter, I hope you all remember that that land and sky, where they appear to meet, in reality they do not meet, but when you look, you see that land and sky are meeting, but when you go nearer, it gets far, right? In reality it doesn't happen. So land and sky appear to meet at the horizon. Okay, that place, you can say, where land and sky appears to meet, where land and sky appears to meet, that is that place, you can say, or that is known as horizon. That is known as what, children? Horizon. The land and sky appear to meet at the horizon. Appear to meet at the horizon. Okay. Second, all living things need this in order to live. What do we need, children, to live? Do we need books? Do we need toys? Or do we need air? Yes, without air no one can survive. Every living being living in the earth, they need what, children? They need air. They need air for their survival. Without air no one can survive. That is the reason why Earth is a unique planet, living planet, because what is present here? What is present in the air? Oxygen, right? Because of that we are able to survive, we are able to live. Okay, so air is the most important thing in order to live. Third, a person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft is called an acrobat, actor, or astronaut. A person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft is called an astronaut. Okay, astronauts are a person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft or rocket. Okay, they are specially trained. Okay, then next is fourth one. Magellan was a sailor from. Now, children, who is Magellan? Magellan was a Portuguese sailor. Around 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan, he set out on a voyage with a fleet of ship. He set out on a voyage. Okay, he started his journey from Spain. He just sailed in the one direction only. He just sailed in the one direction. After 3 years, he reached at the same place from where he started. After 3 years, he reached at the same place from where he started, and that is how he proved that Earth is round like a ball, not flat as earlier people used to thought. Okay, so Earth is like a ball. The shape of the Earth is round. Okay, so that means for that whole 3 years he take a round to the whole of the Earth, and he reached at the same place from where he started. So that is how he proved that Earth is in round shape. And then after that, our science, our technology got so advanced that astronauts they get trained for traveling in outer space. And from outer space, when they saw the Earth, they saw that the Earth is round like a ball, slightly flattened from top and the bottom. Okay, it looks like a ball. It's look like a ball. So Magellan was a sailor from Portugal. Magellan was a sailor from Portugal who proved that the shape of the earth is round, not flat. What would happen if the shape of the earth would have been flat, children? Because he had directed to the he had sailed sailed in one direction. Okay, what would happen? He would have fall at the edge of the earth, right? So earth is round. So Magellan was a sailor from Portugal who proved that earth is round. His full name was Ferdinand Magellan. Okay, fifth, the earth is shaped like a, as I have told you, earth is shaped like a ball. Earth is shaped like a ball. Earth is shaped like a ball. Okay, now next, true or false? Okay, an astronaut is a person who travels around the world. Children, it is true or false? Does astronaut travels around the world? No. Astronauts travel around the space. So an astronaut is a person who travels around the world. So it is false. It is false, because astronauts, they travel around the outer space. Okay, second, the earth is a huge ball of burning gases. No, earth is not a huge ball of burning gases. Stars, you can say sun is a huge ball of burning gases. Okay, C, Magellan sailed in one direction and finally his ship reached the place from where it had started. Yes, true, right? He started sailing from one direction. He started sailing in one direction, and finally after 3 years he reached at the same place from where it had started. So true. Then D1, there is more land on the surface of the earth than water. Is it true or false? When astronauts have seen the earth from the outer space, they saw that earth is like a blue ball. That means most of, you can say, more surface of the land, more surface of the earth is covered with water than the land. Okay, so there is more land on the surface of the earth than water. False, because there is more water than the land. That is the reason why earth is also known as the blue planet. Okay, next, the sky is a vast space in the universe. True, sky is a vast space in the universe. Okay, now the next chapter is chapter 4, our country India. Chapter 4, our country India. So children, you all know that India is a vast, or you can say vast country, big country, right? It has all kind of landforms, that is plain, plateau, mountains, island, desert, all different kinds of landforms are there. Okay, so earth is also known as the beautiful country in the world. Okay, so the dash lies to the south of India. What lies to the south of India, children? Which ocean lies to the south of India? Yes, Indian Ocean lies to the south of India. Okay, then Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal. Third, the Himalayas lie to the dash of India. Himalayas lie to the north of India. Okay, that you can say origin, or you can say it's the Himalayas are originated where? To the north of India, and from there only the rivers like Ganga, Brahmaputra and Yamuna the origin of these rivers are from the north. Okay, are from these Himalayas. Then India is the dash largest country in the world. India is the dash largest country in the world. India is the 7th largest country in the world. 7th largest country in the world. Okay, then 5th, the rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra starts from the Himalayas. As I have told you, rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra starts from the Himalayas. Okay, Ganga, Brahmaputra and Yamuna starts from the Himalayas. Starts from the Himalayas. Now, true or false? India is the 3rd most populated country in the world. India is the 3rd most populated country in the world. True or false? False. Why? Because India is the 2nd most populated country in the world after China. Then second, the Himalayas is the highest mountain range in the world. True. One of the highest mountain, Mount Everest, is in Himalayas. Okay, so the Himalayas is the highest mountain range in the world. Mountain range in the world. Mountain range means the chains of mountain are known as ranges. Okay, then C, it is very cold at night in a desert. It is very cold at night in a desert. True. During daytime it is very hot and during night time it gets cooler. Okay, it gets cooler. Then next, D, all rivers in India get water from melting snow in the mountains. False. River Ganga, Brahmaputra and Yamuna gets water from melting snow in the mountains. E, the rivers make the Gangetic plain very fertile. Gangetic plain is a northern plain. So the rivers make the Gangetic plain very fertile. True. Last, it is neither too hot nor too cold in the Deccan Plateau. True. It is neither too hot nor too cold in the Deccan Plateau. True. Okay, so children, this revision video is done. Okay, go through the video again and thoroughly go through the chapters. Okay, thoroughly go through the chapters. Okay children, Sai Ram.